Hi guys, this is Shiva Reddy. Welcome to Core Java tutorials. In this session, I explain continuation to the string class implementation of the operations in Java. If you are first time reading this tutorial, please go ahead and read or go through my previous tutorials. One is string concept in Java session 1 and another one is string class operations in the Java session 2. So I am going to explain a few more methods which are useful while working with the strings. So I am going to remove this previous session tutorial code. Okay, so let me remove. Okay, I removed this code. Now I am going to show you few more methods which are useful while working with the strings. So now what I am doing is I am giving string input as this is string class demo. Now what string class provides a one method in order to convert the string to string array. What I mean to say is if we pass a delimiter to the method, it is going to split this string into a string array. So in order to split the string class provides a method called split where you are going to specify what is the delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but the special character or the white space. So in this case my intention is I want to split this total string based on the space. So it is going to return me string array. So string array. Okay. Now I can iterate this array and I can get the string objects or the string tokens we'll call as. Okay, for string value of array. Sorry, typing mistake. Array and array. Now I can print these values. Now let us go ahead and run this program and you can see the output as this, and then next line it will come as a is string class and demo. So the split method, what it is going to do, based on the delimiter we passed, the string is going to be converted as a string array. Okay, this is the one useful method in the string class. And one more method we talk about is join. For example, input what this join method is going to do is string input 1 equal to join dot or input dot join. Here what we need to do is if we specify a delimiter here, any delimiter, and you can pass the sequence of characters, it is a sequence of characters, then what it is going to do is I'll show you hello, and also I'm passing as a this. At this point of time I'm passing two character sequence and then I am joining this one with joining with the this delimiter. What this delimiter is going to do is it is going to concatenate this delimiter with the whatever the words we are going to specify it. What it means is, see here, this is hello this. So the input parameter, what input one, what it is going to do is how many characters we are going to append to this passed as a character strings, then these these strings are actually concatenated by the delimiter whatever we passed here. For example, if I pass as a hash, then the output is going to become hello hash this. So whenever you have a requirement, requirement is like you want to concatenate few words with a specified delimiter, then you can use the join. And if you want to split the string based on some delimiter, then you can use the split method. And one more method we have to replace particular string with the few characters or the character string. What I mean to say is, for example, input method is there. In this, I want to replace particular character or it might be a character or the character string, both are fine. But at this point of time, I am saying wherever I see the T, I want to replace with Z. Okay. Now I am going to this assigning input equal to input replacement and system.out.println after replace. If you see the input and now run this program, now you able to see that T is replaced with the Z. Wherever you find T, it is going to replace with the Z. In this only one T is there, so character T is going to be replaced with the Z. This is the one implementation. If you want to replace with character sequence, that means one string with the another string, that is also possible using this replace. Oh, here we have a character sequence. Okay, so for example, in this case, I want to replace this with hello. Okay, now I am going to again assigning this to input. I am commenting this character sequence characters. Now when I run this program, you can able to see that this is going to be replaced with the hello. Hello is a string hello program. Previously it is a this is string is class this is string class demo. Now this is replaced with the hello. Okay, so this is the another method where it can be used while working with the strings. And one more method of this one is replace all is there. Another method you can see is replace all. So what this method is going to do is how many occurrences of this the first string it is going to be find, those many times the second one is going to be replaced. For example, here I am going to give this. Okay, now when I run this program, you can see output it is replaced 2 times. Okay, replace all, it is going to replace how many occurrences of the first character sequence there in the main string. But in the case of replace, it will just replace the first occurrence. For example, if I take this example, then you will see that hello. Okay, so replace is going to be replace this whatever the character sequence it is there, it is just going to replace the value. Okay, so these are the another 3 methods which are useful while working with the strings. Hope this concept is clear. If I have any questions, comment on my YouTube video. Thanks for watching.